faculty mechanic engineering.
Good evening, my name is Daniel Jose Martinez Pinzon. I'm studying mechanical engineering and I'm semester 3.
Um, every John, welcome back to your TED show. Today we're diving into component type practice everything way would really get a especially capacitor. Joining me today is a colleague for the material science department. With me study different things we would really on this the energy reservoir. Welcome.
Thanks! Santi, it's a great to be here. It's funny because in material science we look at the capacitors as a playground for the physics. Um, we are obsessed with that happening inside them, the atoms and the fields, while you're probably more interested in what they to do the machine, right?
Exactly. In automobile engineering, they will treat like electronic. So, about software, think about the use. Engine control unit in a car. It's software be electrical noise from the alternator. And the spark, look, it drink half capacitor inflicted noises and establish the voltage. The car and brain will basic have a medium they can do you they both.
That makes total sense. From my side, we focus on the electric materials. We're trying to define now ceramics or polymers that have a height the electric constant. The goal is to pack so much charge as possible into the smallest volume. If we can and provide the material, we can make your car components lighter and more efficient.
Because based on efficiency, it's talk about supercapacitor. In my field, this are game charger for regenerative vehicle when vehicle. Vehicle is generative massive burst of energy. A standard bearing is 2, so 2 should attack without getting straight, but a supercapacitor can grab that charge in a second and jump it back on when the drive is the gas.
It's all about the power density. In the broader world of science and physics, that's why we use steam in things like the liberators or even high-power lasers. You need a massive amount of energy delivered in a fraction of a second. A battery is a marathon runner, but a capacitor is a world-class sprinter.
I love you that analogy, whether it's the stability of the basic sensorial motorcycle course or when it allows a lap. It's command auto controlling that electric charger get by.
Precisely, it's the break between raw energy and precision control.
Precision, it's the bit between raw energy and precision control.
Thanks. Precisely is the break between energy and precision control.
We take our target or to data for the tuning and the will catch you in test repository. Key concept in English, capacitor, the ability of system to store an electric charger. LC, a Q, B, the electric. The insulative material between the capacitor takes time increase its efficiency, voltage speed, and the process of removing from power, supply and protect, substantive electronic regenerative braking, mechanic time renewable kinetic energy be stored. It's often its capacitor during dilatation. Its feature reference to the energy you stored in capacitor is calculated as.
Mr. My friend, thank you so much.